Hey guys, so I just had to share our nursery project with you. We did a race car nursery, which turned out amazing. We love it. But we actually built like a cage in the nursery. I'm gonna kind of put some of the progress on how it went from start to finish. It was so cool though. We have this really cool video game system. It's a race car simulator with a race car seat and everything. And we wanted to keep it in the room because it's really cool. And we thought it'd be a good thing for us to be able to play with later while he's in his crib and just kind of hanging out and playing his room while mommy and daddy played some. So we built this really neat cage. We actually, now that we have Declan, ended up for where he sleeps in a twin bed now. He's 9 months, and we wanted to kind of separate that area from the room just because we didn't want him to climb up the cage and do things like that, especially at night when we're sleeping. We can't really monitor what he's doing in there. So we separated with these really awesome big long baby gates. So that works for us for long-term situation. He kind of has an area where he sleeps and an area where we would play and he would play. So he's only in there with the cage while we're supervising and monitoring so we can make sure it's not a danger to him or any sort of safety hazard. But it turned out as a really cool decoration. And if you have nurseries with cars and you're able to separate the room or just even anything along the lines that would fit this construction theme, anything like that, you could make it work for. And it was just so much fun, really unique. We've gotten a ton of compliments on the nursery, especially the cage being in there, because it's really interesting. It's such a conversational piece and really fun. I will say it was time consuming, but worth it. So let me know what you think. Bye, guys.